How to send HD photos on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send the high definition quality photos on WhatsApp. So first thing, simply head over to your WhatsApp application, and inside WhatsApp application, let's say I want to send a high quality picture to this person. So first thing you should do is, don't click on the camera option, you simply click on this paperclip option, that is file option. So basically what you need to do is simply click on your gallery, and from your gallery, as you can see, let's say this photo is a very high definition quality. So to send it as an high definition quality, you just need to click on the SD option over here and then select the image from here. And once you do that, simply click on send, and that's exactly how you send the high quality photos on your WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.